In front of me is a TP-LINK Neffos Y5L, and I'll show you how to change the language of the device. And to do it, we will start by opening up the settings. So do so, and then scroll down to language and input. And it's right here, as you can see. So just select it. And from here on the top you have language. So just tap on it. And then you get to choose whatever language you like. So, for instance, I'm going to change it to Dutch. And as you can see, everything changed right now. And yeah, I'm going to change it back so I actually can read stuff. So that is how, naturally, you change the language. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.